My name is James Calkins, and I became a chef because I enjoy cooking, I enjoy the work, the stress, the fun of it, cooking for people. I always kind of thought I wanted to be a chef, but I think once you deal with the pressure, the stresses of working in a kitchen, then you kind of know, like, all right, this is something I want to keep doing. It's not just like, all right, I'm over this. Well, it's farm table, but in Iowa that's tough because farm table can maybe mean 6 months out of the year. But with the fact that we work, directly with the farm, eggs, pork, beef, all come, 2 miles outside of town. So, at least that aspect runs year round. I wouldn't necessarily call it comfort food, but it's just hearty meals. It's not just the old-fashioned blue plate special. It's chicken, bacon, spinach, mac and cheese. It's a chili cheeseburger on a cinnamon roll. Just try to do fun stuff, keep people interested, give them something to look forward to, or even, engage people a little bit too. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be just a few ingredients put together well. This weekend, our French toast special was I did a chocolate bread, so a little cocoa powder in with my usual bread. We put some Nutella and some white chocolate on it, and made a sandwich out of it, and a little bit of Great River maple syrup with it. And people love it. It's something different. But it's nothing complicated. I get to interact with people, I get to cook food, I get to come in and take time before the restaurant's open and do the things I kind of want to do and cook for the people of Harlan.